Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your old flip-flops into something new. Stay tuned. Okay, so first we're going to cut the strap off. Then you're going to cut the little pieces that are attached onto the back. But we're going to keep those, so don't throw those away. Now you're going to cut out a pattern on your fabric like the shoe. Make sure you cut out two for your other shoe too as well. I just put a pin there so my fabric wouldn't move as I glued down the fabric. I'm just going to put my fabric, lay it evenly and press so the glue can stick with the help of my son's hands. Next, you're going to go around the sides and place the glue around the sides of your shoe. You want to fold over. That's why you want to make sure you have enough fabric to fold over your shoe so you can hide the sides. And after that, you want to cut the excess fabric right off. It look good already. Can't even lie. You want to make sure it's nice and clean. You don't want to be looking all raggedy and stuff. So make sure you cut it nice and clean. So then you want to make the piece that go over your foot. Make it how little or wide you want it. And I just stuck it to the side and make sure the fabric won't move. And then I'm going to glue that. Wait till it dry a little and cut that excess fabric off. And then I put glue in each hole and put the plugs right back in. Voila, there's the shoe. Couldn't even tell it was an old flip-flop, could you? And make sure you do the other one just the same, and it will come out just as great. If you make these, tag me on Instagram or anything. I would love to see y'all creations.